Draft sales are skyrocketing, absolutely skyrocketing, and I'm making more money off of each keg thanks to the system. It's more than paid itself off, and I've only had it about 10, 11 months now. I can't recommend this system enough. It's amazing. I know when you first get that, that estimate and that initial price, you're like, no way, that's not gonna happen. And then when you come to realize that it's more than worth it. For a neighborhood that doesn't really do much draft beer, we went from 4 lines that we never used to now we have 9 lines that are flowing much, much better. And I'm selling much, much more draft beer, which everybody in this business knows that's where the profit is, not in bottled beer. And I'm saving almost 20% on every single keg. While my bartenders are pouring a beer, they're actually off making another drink, mixed drink or something else. Come back, beer's ready, the other glass is ready, customer's served. Everything's just working so much smoother. I couldn't be happier.